Happy Easter, everyone! When I was growing up, I didn't understand that the true meaning of Easter was about the resurrection of Jesus. I thought it was about the candy. Now, this is one of the most recognizable candies on the planet, PEEPS. They started producing these in the early 1950s. And did you know that the original PEEPS took 27 hours just to make one of them? They eventually got that down to 6 minutes. These things start flying off the store shelves in early March before Easter. Now, I say flying because the original PEEPS actually had wings. I remember walking to the candy store and buying a 5-pack of PEEPS for about $1.25. I picked these up today at Walgreens for $1.50. But did you know that they sell over 1.5 billion PEEPS a year? Did you ever read the ingredients in PEEPS? You might not want to. So each package contains 2 tablespoons of sugar, corn syrup, gelatin, yellow dye, potassium sorbate, natural flavorings, and our favorite ingredient, carnauba wax. But we never thought about reading the ingredients. We didn't really care. We just ate them. We scarfed them down as many as we could fit in our mouth. But I got to wondering, what would these things look like if I melted them down into their raw components? Let's find out.
You cursed brat! Look what you've done! I'm melting! Melting! Oh, what a world! What a world!
That's pretty much what I figured. Burnt sugar. That's disgusting. I'm not sure I can ever look at one of these PEEPS the same way ever again. Doesn't even look like a bird. I can't help it!